did you see that?
In this video, we're going to be showing you some footage of a tornado that hit us and explaining to you guys what happened and then showing you the damage afterward. Make sure to stay until the end because there's some crazy stuff that happened and we got some really cool footage.
Oh my gosh. Whoa! We're going to take that down. Those are baseballs.
Oh my god.
Nation, hold this.
Okay.
We can't get it. You guys, we have to get in there now.
The power went out and we're trying to get into the storm shelter.
Glass everywhere.
You guys can't see, but we're in the storm shelter right now. This is probably a tornado. Or something. There's huge hail.
Oh, it stopped.
There's huge hail, like softball size outside.
No, there's a calm before a storm.
It destroyed a ton of our windows and other stuff.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
It was so loud.
Our windows are shattered.
I know,
Oh my gosh. There's huge hail out there.
Our windows are shattered. All of our windows are busted.
A ton of our windows are broken. There's huge hail, like, oh my gosh, this one's shattered. That window's shattered right there. There's a ton.
Wait, we touch outside, Drake?
No, there's a ton of windows shattered. The van and truck are probably destroyed.
It's just the outside. I hope the outside is outside.
That one, your room, the glass was on the ground. This is, look at the ground. Is there? Look at them. You guys will probably not see this thing. I'm not exaggerating. This hail is the size of baseballs and softballs.
I don't know, man. It's crazy.
Dad, shine the light on that.
1, 2, 3,
Dad, shine the light on that.
I probably had 8 windows shattered.
Look at this. This is on the window. There was a huge hail that destroyed it.
It's crazy.
Oh man,
Let me try to get an assessment of where things are.
the power's out.
We'll check. I've never seen a baseball, softball size hail.
There might be. I'm stepping on glass.
I've got baseball sized hail in my house.
Where's it? On the floor?
In the house. Just get it on video, man.
Wait, here, show it. They're literally baseball, softball size.
They're huge.
It probably destroyed a ton of our stuff. Look, that's giant. It's baseball size.
I'll let you know.
I survived.
Look at the inside. It's all in there. This car's messed up. Let's go check the other.
Look, and it did that window.
It did this window too?
Yeah.
I wonder if we got the front window.
Yeah.
Oh yes, it did. Holy cow.
It's starting to rain again.
God. Wait, I want to check it here.
Okay. This is our nanny's house. She lives right across from us.
Yeah, I know this one is like.
And these windows got completely shattered.
Can you see
There's
them?
tons of glass. Completely shattered.
We're getting them shut and prepared because it's supposed to rain more. We might have to break through it anymore, but we might have to. Oh, this one's good though.
That bottom.
We might have to just push on top. We might just push it through.
This one's got both of them busted.
Like that.
Nation, just please be very careful. I'm trying to get you to cut yourself.
There. Is that good?
All this will be on insurance.
Want pretzels?
In my is that for you? Yeah. What is that? It's a flashlight. But can I have it? Yeah. I'll be really gentle with it. Okay. What is it?
Right now, all the power in the whole house is out, and it's like 3 a.m. in the morning, and we're waiting for some people to come to help us fix the windows. So the first thing we're going to be checking is the car, and this one's pretty bad. It got shattered from the huge hail. The hail was literally the size of softballs. And it has some big dents on the front of it. There's some damage. Yeah, there's some glass on the inside. This one has some big dents. Goodness, look at that. That had to have been huge. Some more just dents on the front. A lot of dents. And there's another huge piece. Let's check this one. It's absolutely destroyed. Like, the front doesn't look that bad. But then if you come up here, get this out of the way.
Oh, the sunroof?
The sunroof, yeah, it's destroyed. It's obliterated. It's shattered all the way through. It's just destroyed. Then we have this window right here. This window right here is absolutely destroyed too. The hail was just crazy. Then we have this window, which we covered up a little bit ago. This window's obliterated too. Like, look. I'm gonna get up here. Can you get up here?
Yeah, you have to take care of that.
Fine. We're gonna check the shelf roof to see if there's any damage. I know there's gonna be damage because the hail is huge. There's a piece of shingle. That's not good. You can see where it hit, like right there. You can see that one hit there. There's some marsh on it. Oh my goodness! It ripped part of the roof up. Oh, it's soaking wet. That's not good. It's gonna be wet on the inside. That's not good. Look. We just walked in and it's soaked, like all right in there. The walls are wet. I know that this window's shattered. Water came in through the roof and through the windows. Whoa. This one's mauled. Look at it. What? It destroyed the screen. I thought that one was broken. It's not actually broken. But the screen is like, it's not too bad. There's still like one layer of glass left. It just broke the first layer, and then there's this thing. But I have to show you this one. This one got absolutely obliterated. Like, look, you can see on the ground. There's a shattered glass from it. All the way through. Like, look, these right here. Here, come right here. Just these right here are beams that are supposed to, like, they're metal and they're supposed to do it, and they're just shattered. I came in this room while it was happening, and you could just hear the windows shattering. You would see hail coming in here. There's glass all in there. We have to get new carpet. Window right here. Here, this window right here just got like hit by one and it just went straight through and all the way in there. I remember after it happened, like 20-30 minutes, there was just a like baseball sized piece of hail that was in there. I tried to put some stuff up, but look. there's just literally holes through both of them. The bottom glass on this one, but look at this one. The bottom glass on this one's destroyed too. The bottom glass on this one's okay, but it's all the roofs probably have really bad damage. We're gonna have to get those fixed. It's destroyed. It just rusted, and then the wind just took it down. This one used to be sitting right here. It got blown over. I don't think it's. Oh no, it snapped. Look, there's a few beams and something there as well. Oh no!
I know, that's what I was
Dude,
saying.
this one was so cool too. It was. This one was really cool. Like, look how big it is. It was really big. We got blown over and just mangled like it was nothing. It was literally over here. It started right here. Yes, it was. It was right here. Look, here's the thing where it was. Here's the outline of it. It got blown that far. So this is right after the first tornado hit. There's windows shattered everywhere. I already showed you guys it, but it's coming back. There's another storm, and there's a huge wall cloud. So there's a tornado watch for where we are right now. Which, if you don't live in an area where there's tornadoes very much around you, that means that they are just putting out a risk warning for tornado, warning you. It could be coming. Look over there. You can see the rain coming in. Okay, I gotta get inside. The camera's getting wet. Oh gosh. We had to board up this window. There's glass everywhere. It is hailing for the third time today. It's hailing again. This is the third time today it's hailed. Oh my gosh, it's getting big. It's getting big. It's getting big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Yesterday it was huge. Oh my goodness, this is the third time it's hailed. Last time when it hailed, it was baseball size. This is actually pretty small compared to it. It's getting bigger though. But it's all stacked up right there. This is literally the third time today it's hailed.
Is that legal?
Thanks so much for watching till the end of the video. If you made it till the end, make sure to comment in squad and make sure to subscribe with notifications on because we have a big announcement coming soon. Until then, oh, and I almost forgot, we're going to Florida tomorrow and we're going to be there for a week. So comment down below any videos you want us to make, and we're also going to try and make a few cool trick shot videos there. No, this one. But until next time, see ya!